Hello everyone! For today's DIY project we'll need a Soviet MLT resistor with a resistance of 5 to 10 ohms continued. By subtracting the resistance of the clips we get 10 ohms. Now we need to solder two pieces of wire to this resistor. We connect a 3.7 volt battery and check how many degrees the resistor will heat up to. The temperature is about 90 degrees, that's enough. Next, we need a piece of thin metal in which we need to drill a hole and then attach the resistor. Now we attach the fiberglass spacer and to it the metal bracket. We'll also need a small tin can. You need to drill a hole at the edge. We glue the 18650 battery on with hot glue. You'll also need a tape measure clip which should be attached to the can along with the resistor. Inside the can we glue the TP4056 board which will charge the battery. And the last thing you need to glue is the button which will turn this homemade device on. Now let's connect all of this according to the diagram shown on the screen. I'm cutting off part of the screw because it will hit the lid. You need to cut a round hole in the lid. I'm removing the speaker grill from a broken receiver and then gluing it into the lid. At this stage the homemade device is finished. I showed you how to make a simple device that will repel mosquitoes. You can take this homemade device with you when you go fishing or into the woods. For it to work, you need to buy special repellent pads that release a scent when heated and repel mosquitoes. I didn't buy one, someone just gave me one to try. I made a hole in it and attached it to my homemade device this way. I turn on the switch and the plate starts to heat up. You can attach it with a clip, attach it to your pocket or belt. Right now, I'm in a small grove near a pond, and while using this homemade device, not a single mosquito has landed on me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching and goodbye.